Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your app store is not working. If your app store is not working and you are unable to download app from app store, and if it's showing here cannot connect to app store, then I'll show you how can you fix these issues. Just simply close this page from here, and then firstly what you need to do is just simply open settings. And if you are using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you have to disconnect your Wi-Fi network, and then you have to reconnect it again and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open mobile data if you are using mobile data. And after that what you need to do is just simply turn the toggle on for mobile data, and then you have to connect your network to mobile data and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings and then scroll it on and tap on general. And from here what you need to do is just simply tap on date and time, because this is main issue for your problem. So from here check if your date and time is correct or not. If your date and time is correct, then what you need to do is just simply turn the toggle off for this for 2 or 3 seconds and then turn it on again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And after that what you need to do, you have to tap on setting and then scroll it on and tap on channel, and then scroll it on and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And from here you have to tap on reset, and from here you have to tap on reset network setting. So from here you have to give your phone passcode, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on reset network setting to confirm the process. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory default. So after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then finally what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on general, and you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, and from here you have to reset all setting. Just simply tap on reset all setting, and then you have to give your phone passcode. And after that what you need to do is just simply tap on reset all setting to confirm the process. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after doing all these steps, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.